In this video, I will show you how you can force restart your Samsung tablet. Now to do that, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. Just like that. Now just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Now just keep pressing and holding both of these buttons until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. As you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release both of the buttons. And as you can see, we have successfully done a force restart on our tablet. But if you're using an older Samsung tablet, now to force restart that type of tablets, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button for 10 seconds. If you press and hold both of these buttons for more than 10 seconds, and you will enter into the blue screen mode or to the download mode. So just press and hold the power button and the volume down button for exactly 10 seconds. And after you do that, you will force restart your tablet. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.